So in the previous video I showed you how to upload and install the WordPress video testimonial plugin and how to activate it. Next I'm going to show you how to configure the plugin. And so to do that we're going to go to settings and we're going to choose WordPress video testimonial. And as you can see we've got this integrates with the Google API settings, and we're going to need to configure a few things. First off, starting with the OAuth 2 client ID and the developer key. But since this is incorporated with Google, one of the things that we need to do first is make sure you have a Google account. If you have a Google account, that's great. You're already pretty much halfway there. You need a Google account and a YouTube account. So before we get into this, we're going to go over and we're going to log in. And if you don't have one of those, I would suggest that you pause this video and go over to Google and create you an account, starting from basically scratch here. So you could click sign in, and instead of, if you don't have an account, you would click on sign up. So you would click here, go through, fill this out, and jot down your username and login, all that kinds of stuff, and passwords, and save that because you're going to need it. But in the event that you already have a Google account and YouTube account, then you're good to go. So I'm going to log in here with this sample website that we're installing this to, and we're going to sign in. So now we're signed in to Google, and now I'm going to hop over to YouTube. And we have already set up a YouTube account as well, and as you can see it automatically logged us in because Google and YouTube is linked. So if you don't have Google or YouTube, first go sign up for your Google account, and once you have a username and log in to Google with that username and login, then head over to YouTube and sign in to YouTube with that account as well. Once you've done that, you're pretty much ready to go and you'll be able to proceed. So once you have both of those accounts set up and you're logged into both, just come back over to here and we're going to click right here. I'm going to right click and click on open new tab to get our developer key. And I'm just going to set up a new product. So you click right here where it says new product, and we're going to say video testimonial plugin, and we're going to type HTTP semicolon, and we're going to put your the web address. In this case it's bassplumbingco.com, and we're going to click save, and it's going to generate this developer key. I copy that and we go over and we paste that here. Now we get our OAuth 2 client ID by right clicking, and we're going to open that in a new tab. And this is basically a whole bunch of verbiage here, but basically all you need to know is to come here where it says API console, and you're going to click that. So you can just put the basic information here, you don't have to put all of it, and agree to the terms and service, and then click register. And from here you're going to click on create project, and from here pay no attention to all this. This is just all the services that come with the Google API. We're going to click on API access, and we're going to click create all OAuth client ID. And so we're just going to put the same thing, video. Let's put video testimonial plugin. And here, if you have a logo, and I think we have one, I'd have to find it. Let me do a search real quick and see if we can find our logo. Evidently not. But I'm not going to take the time to try to find that, but you would just simply put your product logo here, the address of your logo, and click update, and it would put your logo here. But for your home page, you need to put HTTP semicolon / your website. In this case is bassplumbingco.com, and we're going to click next. Here we're going to choose web application, and we're going to click in here, and we're just going to put bassplumbingco.com. Then where it says redirect URI, click there where it's got that address, and it should update just like you see, and click on create client ID. Now the next thing you'll notice is that your homepage URL is http:// your website, and down here it says client ID for web applications. If you'll notice, this always by default puts a S on the end of HTTP. We need to edit that and remove that because we're not using secure protocols, and it will cause a conflict. So just click there, delete the S there. We're going to delete the S there and click update, and that's pretty much it. We're going to grab our client ID and we're going to copy that, and we're going to go back over and we're going to paste that, and we're going to click save. So now once you click save, you should see this where it says please log in to moderate video submissions. Click login, and this is what you should see. It will say it's requesting permissions to manage your YouTube account, and you will need to click allow. Once you do that, you will see that you're logged in, and this was actually your profile image from your YouTube account. So as you can see, we have no profile image there, so if you want to show that, you just update that profile image in your YouTube account, and it will automatically show over here as well. I've already went through this process once before recording this, so I already have a playlist, but for you, you will not see anything there, so you will need to create your own playlist, and I'm just going to name this video submissions by our clients and customers. And what this does, it just basically customers. This creates a playlist, so anytime somebody uploads a video from this app, it gets put into a playlist. And so it's important that you give it a name that you'll recognize in YouTube. And here is your short code that we will use to put on your page wherever you want to show the widget to allow your customers or clients to record and upload video testimonials, reviews, or feedback about your business or your services. So we're making it real simple. In essence, your customers go to a website, go to your website, and then go to a testimonials page. They log into their YouTube or Google account, and they simply choose to upload or record a video. They record a video testimonial talking about your business. It gets submitted and awaiting for moderation from you. And so what you would do is that you as the admin would come back into your WordPress site, and you would look and see which videos are pending for your approval. So if you directed 10 clients to go to your website and leave you a video review, you would see 10 videos here that says pending, and then you would have to approve them. Once you approve them, it shows which videos have been approved. And of course, for people that leave you bad video reviews and feedback, you want to control that, and of course you can reject those as well. And you can choose and switch between playlists to moderate as well. So I'm going to choose this one here, when we just created video submissions by our clients and customers, and we're going to copy this, and I'm going to show you how to basically put this shortcode on a web page on a site, and we're going to go from there. But as far as this video part, this has been a video showing you how to set up the application and get it ready so you can put your shortcode on a web page and start publishing this out on a website and getting video testimonials, reviews, and feedback. Stay tuned for the next tutorial.